I just made $1,000 with just one single Instagram story. How cool is that, right? And by the way, I not run any ads. I not did any spamming of links. It's 100% pure strategy. And I'm going to reveal you step by step what I did so that you can copy my results. Are you excited? By the way, my name is Mihan Malgula. I'm an affiliate marketing coach, made over 100,000 US dollars in just less than 2 years. And here I have quite a bit of audience on my Instagram. And I knew most of my audience had warm leads. It means people who are liking my content, who are following me regularly, but they're not approaching me. Okay, so this is the biggest challenge I have. They're not engaging with my content or they're not DMing me directly. So here what I did is I used a simple Instagram story strategy which led to $1,000 US sale with one Instagram story. Don't worry, I'm going to reveal you the exact process right now. So the step number one, what I did is I just created a value packer Instagram threads post. You know threads, right? This is what exactly I'm talking about. So I made this threads post, and in the step number two, I just repurposed this threads post on my Instagram story. And here is the catch. While I'm doing that, I used one Instagram feature called pool. Pool is something this one, like where we will ask any question and give two or three options so that they can hit the pool. I mean our audience. So that's what exactly I did. And in the pool itself, I asked her this question: are you ready to take risk, or are you ready to live paycheck to paycheck? This is what exactly I asked her. And few people started hitting the pool. Okay. And this is where exactly magic happened. I started conversation with all of them, okay? And one person caught my attention. Literally, that person said that he's following me from the last 1+ year. Isn't that crazy actually? But he not approached me at least once, okay? So I asked a few questions to him, few simple questions like why it is important for him to start and what is his biggest struggle in his life, and also what is stopping him to get started with his online business. So he gave me his reply to me, and I told him why now is the best time for him to get started with his online business. And he just agreed to what I said because he realized the importance of starting the online business. You can just check this chat, okay? And it led to booking a call with me for my mentorship. You can see here, and that person literally in the call, he just came to know about my mentorship program, how it works, how it is going to help him, how it is going to help him to make more money online. And in the call, I just closed with that person for 1,000 US dollars for my mentorship program. He just paid $500 upfront. You can see here the proof, and the 500 remaining will be doing in the next month. How cool is that, right? With just one Instagram story. So, what's the biggest lesson for you here? Lesson number one: warm leads are already watching you. You just need to engage with them. That's it. And lesson number two: Instagram stories plus pools work like magic for getting inbound leads. And finally, lesson number three: sales are not about pitching your offers, it's all about you asking the right questions at the right time. I repeat it again: you asking the right questions at the right time. That's it. If you can do this, you can make thousands of dollars every single month. Okay? And now, if you want to learn how to close high ticket clients through your Instagram stories and grow your affiliate marketing business to the next level, DM me hashtag story on Instagram. I will DM you my strategy. Okay? Let's get it. And hey, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to get more content like this. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.